Hey guys, so before I get into the video, I just want to mention that I am doing a $25 Amazon gift card giveaway, okay? The way to enter is you have to be subscribed and you have to follow my Twitter account, or those are the two entries you can do. You can do one or the other, or both, and I'll put the link in the description to enter. I will be picking in a month, okay? So if you want to win, go ahead and do that. You have a chance for 2 entries. Yeah, so just be subscribed. You don't even need to follow my Twitter unless you want an extra entry. So there you go. Enjoy the video. I've Santa Cruz. So we're probably gonna go to the aquarium, the Monterey Bay Aquarium. So no aquarium. It's $50 per ticket, so that's not gonna happen. I didn't say this, and I didn't even open up the vlog, so hey guys, what's up? It's Little Grape here in Santa Cruz. Well, we're in Santa Monica. No, we're not in Santa Monica. We are in Monterey. The boardwalk's closed. Everything's closed because California has a different spring break.